What up? Tonight we're making Catalina chicken. If you don't know what that is, it's basically chicken roasted in French dressing. It's a throwback. My mom used to make it, and I used to think it was delicious. I think it's kind of like sweet and sour chicken. I haven't had it since I was a kid. Let's do that. First, we have to make the Catalina dressing because I couldn't find any dressing that didn't have seed oils in it, even at Whole Foods. Like, nowhere could I find it. So we gotta make the Catalina dressing first. Half a cup of ketchup. Quarter cup red wine vinegar. Quarter cup of honey or sugar. I would prefer honey, but I can't find any around here, so I don't think I have any sugar. Now we whisk. When that's coming together, you slowly add the olive oil until it's all nice and smooth. And once it's all smooth, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, salt, and pepper. Taste. I'm a pepper guy. And then whisk it back up. And that is essentially Catalina dressing. But we are making Catalina chicken. So that means we gotta add some more stuff to it. Essentially this 1 cup of Catalina dressing. You can use apricot preserve. I have marmalade, so we're gonna use marmalade. Now you're supposed to maybe add a pack of dried onion powder soup, but I'm just gonna use real onion. And then a little Dijon mustard, but I don't have any, so a little yellow. I'm just gonna throw some peppers in there. And then finally, throw some carrots in there. That's our goop that's gonna go on our chicken. P.S. My mom never did this whole veggie thing. We got chicken thighs. Cube the chicken. So it's a really good greased cast iron skillet. We're just gonna dump our meat on top. I would put some pineapples in here if I had any left. And then in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. While that cooks, a quick fun fact about Catalina chicken. It was in fact invented in the 60s and 70s out of convenience because Catalina dressing was everywhere. Chicken was chicken. So you could just easily grab some chicken, grab a jar of Catalina dressing and some like canned soup stuff, slap it together, throw it in the oven, and you're good to go. Because people in the 60s and 70s were apparently too busy to actually cook. This is the dinner that was thrown in the oven right before the street lights came on. So when you walk in the door, dinner was ready. Alright, done. I'll go ahead and make some white rice. Alright, Catalina chicken. Alright, looks like an Italian sweet and sour chicken. Alright. Well, the way our parents and grandparents were onto something. It's pretty much kind of like sweet and sour chicken, particularly with the peppers and the carrots. It's good. Alright, Catalina chicken. Gen X cooking. Love you. I mean it. You'll get some.